name is Anya, and it's been extremely hot here in South Africa, and I want to make something quick and refreshing. So today I'm going to make a quick summer trifle, which is my grandmother's recipe. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Make a packet of jelly according to the instructions. Cut into pieces. My grandmother joined me in the kitchen today to make her recipe, the quick summer trifle. You want to cover the bottom of your dish with chopped up vanilla sponge. I use my condensed milk loaf. I'll link that video down below. Scatter jelly pieces on top of the cubed vanilla sponge. Then add in half of 115 grams of granadilla pulp on top, half of 1 can of peaches, pour some custard on top to cover it. Then half a cup and a half of whipped cream on top, spread out. Spread some grated chocolate on top. And repeat the process again with the vanilla sponge, then the jelly, then the granadilla pulp, then the peaches, then the custard, and then the cream on top. Decorate with grated chocolate and cherries. Enjoy a quick summer trifle on a hot day.